When cooling fins become clogged, it increases power consumption, causes frequent minor stoppages, affects machining precision, and may lead to a variety of other problems. These problems are caused by lingering on-site oil mist. In environments with a lot of oil mist, filters must be replaced once every 2 weeks. This led Daikin to develop the new long-life filter for oil chillers. Solve all your on-site issues with the long-life filter. The first key point: the filter only needs to be changed once a year. The secret lies in the unique shape of the filter element. The accordion shape ensures a 45-fold increase in the surface area for adsorption. The difference in clogging is obvious at a glance when compared to conventional filters. Use the long-life filter and the cooling fins will remain clean even after a year. There is almost no clogging even when compared to unused filters. The second key point: no need to clean the cooling fins. The filter is made of proprietary microfibers. It achieves both high adsorption to block fine oil mist and excellent breathability. The third key point: it contributes to energy efficiency at the factory. It maintains high heat exchange efficiency, reducing power consumption by 25 to 30% compared to oil chillers with clogged cooling fins. The fourth key point: it is easy to deploy. It is designed for easy deployment, requiring only the attachment of a frame to an existing oil chiller. It can be installed in the Series 9 and Series 10 oil chillers. We have won high appraisal from customers who have deployed the long-life filter. The deployment of the long-life filter will contribute to the boosting of your productivity.